Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at something essential for anyone who's unfortunately had a mishap with their DJI Mavic 2 Pro or Zoom drone. Replacement parts for the gimbal camera system. When a drone takes a tumble or just experiences wear and tear, the gimbal is often one of the first things to suffer, leading to shaky footage, errors, or complete failure. Finding reliable replacement parts is key to getting back in the air without buying a whole new drone. The product we're examining here offers a range of these crucial components. We're talking about parts like the yaw and roll motors and their arms, the lens frame, various board covers, and even signal cables. The listing covers options for both the Mavic 2 Pro and the Zoom versions, which is great because these parts aren't always interchangeable. Now, it's important to note a few key details about these specific parts. According to the information provided, many of these items are listed as used. However, the seller states that each used part is tested and confirmed to be working well before being sent out. This is a critical point. You're not necessarily getting brand new factory parts for everything, but the assurance of testing is definitely something to consider when dealing with complex drone components. There are exceptions. For instance, the signal cable and the main board are described as brand new, but they are explicitly stated as not being original DJI parts. This distinction between used original and new non-original is important for potential buyers to understand. The seller highlights some positive aspects of the parts, mentioning good material quality with less burrs and better texture, leading to potentially longer service life due to improved wear resistance. For the motors specifically, claims are made about low interference, low noise, and smooth operation without sparks, which are all desirable traits for gimbal performance. Installation is described as easy, though this needs to be taken in context with the significant warning provided. And this brings us to perhaps the most critical piece of information. These parts require calibration after installation. The seller strongly advises that if you're not a professional repair technician or lack strong manipulative ability, you should not purchase these parts. Attempting installation or calibration without the necessary skills can lead to failure or even damage to the accessories, and no compensation will be offered in such cases. This isn't a simple plug-and-play fix for most people. It requires technical expertise and potentially specialized tools for calibration. The listing covers various specific items you can purchase, like just the Zoom gimbal shell, which comes without the camera itself, or a frame without the motor included. This modular approach allows buyers to target the specific component they need to replace. Ultimately, this offering provides a source for hard-to-find repair parts for the Mavic 2 gimbal system. While many parts are used, they're stated to be tested. The availability of components like motors, cables, and structural pieces means that common gimbal errors or physical damage can potentially be repaired. However, the significant requirement for professional installation and calibration means these parts are best suited for experienced drone repairers or those willing to seek professional help for the repair process. It's a resource for getting a damaged drone back into service, provided you have the technical capability or access to someone who does.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.